into my eyes, I'll never let it go.
Hey Diamonds! Welcome back to our channel, Familia Diamond! So before we get started, we're going to be giving out our first post notification shout out, and it is
to Josh
Pickles.
Josh Pickles.
Josh Pickles. So if you guys want a shout out, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. We're giving out 2 more shout outs at the end of this video. So now to the seriousness of this video. We decided to make this video after we thought about it for a very long time. We just don't know how to address it, I guess. And we want to make sure that we address it properly because it is a very delicate topic. Yeah. So,
basically, what's been happening is that some people have been faking that they have seen March, that they have March, or that they've seen someone with March. And wait. Did you say faking? Yeah. Faking?
yeah.
It's the same thing as lying.
Yep.
Yeah, it's been getting to the point where it's wrong and it's too much.
Yeah, it's just too much because we get our hopes up that it could be him. So like you guys, a lot of you guys had told us via email and via Instagram that you guys thought Lucas and Marcus had our puppy a few months back. So we thank you for that because we actually reached out and we investigated and found out that that puppy was actually not March Pom. But you know, a lot of things like that, we wouldn't have done them without your guys' help. So we appreciate the people that actually send us emails that are like this, tips.
All of them turned out not to be March, but thank you anyways.
Yeah, so like you guys told us about some shelters. We went to the shelters and you know, it wasn't him, but it did look like him. But then there's those people that say, hey, I've seen your puppy here. Can you DM me for more information? So then Tsunami and me will go in there, DM them.
Look at what my eyes.
Are you guys okay?
We're gonna keep looking, okay? We're gonna look. We're not gonna give up. Okay? We're gonna find them. We're just gonna keep looking, okay?
That's the reason why, one of the reasons why we want to ask you guys if you guys are just playing or just kidding about seeing March or having March. Please stop, because the kids, they really feel bad about him, and just that he's not here is about enough.
So like we get our hopes up when you guys say, oh, I have him, or my cousin saw him, or so you just get our hopes up. So, you know, in the beginning we would tell the kids, hey, you know, she said that, you know, it looked exactly like him. Let's reach out and let's find out if it is him. And then we would reach out and then they would just be like, oh my God, you know, you answered us. We were just kidding. Like, we don't have him, or we haven't seen him. So thank you for the ones that are real, and we appreciate it so much, but we do ask to please, like, let's not take this as a joke, and let's, you know, please, we don't want to really see those comments anymore unless it's, like, for real. So,
and if you guys really see him, or if you have him, please let us know, you know. And thank you for those that
are always on the lookout, because there's a lot of you guys that are always looking for him, and you know, we love to see that, because the more people that actually help us to find him, the better, you know? the more people that can help us, it's only gonna make it better for us. Just those little comments that are just lies, and we just can't take it anymore. We just can't. And Tsunami just now says she's losing hope that she's not gonna find him, and it's devastating because he was part of her family and now he's not here, and it's hard. It's really, really hard for us. So I think we're gonna go back to our old house tomorrow to see if all of our posters are up, because we are a little concerned just because before we left, I don't know if a lot of you guys saw this, but there was a sign that said stolen dog right by our house. So we're gonna go check it out and see if our posters are still up, and if they're not, something's happening to those posters, because it's not raining. There's no reason why those posters would not be there. So we're gonna go, and then we're gonna also ask the neighbors. So we wanna make sure that the posters are still up. If they're not, then something's definitely going on with their posters. We're gonna put them back up, and the new owner of that house also has our number, so if they see anything, they can give us a call. So yeah, that's gonna be it. We're gonna let you guys go. I'm sorry that it's been such a sad few weeks, but we wanna thank you guys for bearing with us through all this situation that we're going through. Nothing would make us happier than finding our puppy. That would be the best thing in the whole entire world, regardless what house we're in. It could be this house, it could be any house. As long as he's with us, that would complete our whole entire life. So thank you guys for watching, and we still gotta give 2 post notification shout outs, so he'll give them. I'm gonna go with the kids, make sure they're okay.
So the second one goes to Bud Bunny 101, and the last shout out goes to